got the ice cream. They got the vanilla cone with sprinkles. Okay, and look at her. She, oh my God, this is such a cool shop. I'm on my TikTok, so what's your name? Like, is it on here? Okay, very good, very good. All right. Okay, Pensacola, here she is. Tell her what you want. Look at that. Now that's the ice cream lady. That's real ice cream.
Is that strawberry?
How often are you gonna come?
Well, we do events a lot of times.
Okay.
But this is one of our neighborhoods when we're not doing events.
Okay.
Come over here.
Okay, good.
We try to get out to the neighborhoods 1 or 2 times.
I got your card. Thank you. Now this is a real ice cream truck. They making real sundaes. Yeah. This the one I like. This the one I like. Real ice cream. Yeah. Nice. What's the name of that? Look, she got the bubbles. Look at the bubbles. Oh my God. This is so cool. What's the name of that?
I got some chocolate covered strawberry.
That's nice. Thank you. Look at the balloon. Yeah.
Like a sample?
You got sprinkles?
I think it's free.
Vanilla with sprinkles.
Look at her comment.
Well, I'm just, well, hey, that's good marketing.
Look at their dog. Oh, well, look at their dog.
Oh, look at that. What out there? Oh, look at Nafia, friend. Where he at? Look, Nafia. Look. Nafia. Look. Oh, thank you so much. I'm going to leave a review.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh, I got my vanilla with sprinkles. Look at the, look at him. Here you go. I know. I know. So cool. That was so neat.